one's the fun one too.
Oh my goodness. Wow. It's fast.
Super fast. This one's way faster than Jackson. Turns on time.
Oh my gosh. I can't even keep up with it. Okay. Are you doing it slow purposely now? Nice.
So on here. So of course we got our normal reverse, forward, steering. But here we have the steering tuning. So you see how the boat right now, like right now she is. If I hit the gas, it's supposed to go straight. See how it's going a little bit to the right? Mm-hmm. So I could tune that.
Oh, okay.
You know, so like right now I could tune it. Go a little bit to the right. And I can set that throttle control. And then there's a speed control too. So if you have your little kid doing it, you can like decrease the speed.
Oh,
Look up, look, this is as fast as it'll go right now. On the lowest.
Oh, that's nice, so they can get used to it.
You get used to it. Yeah.
Cool.
Then you could put it on like in the middle. This is middle.
That's really nice that I can do that. That way the little ones can learn.
And then full speed.
Oh, this is full speed now?
Yeah, this is full speed. Battery's not like perfectly full, but if you look over there,
okay.
it's like full speed.
Oh. Luke, did it just do a trick?
Yeah.
What trick was that? Wow. Okay, my husband was just demonstrating that when the boat flips over, it flips right side up again. Can you show it, hon? The only thing is, yeah, okay. Wow. That's awesome. Neat.